Hi, my name is Autumn, and today I will be going over the job estimating feature. What we're first going to do is navigate to the Estimate tab here. Just keep in mind that you can't actually create an estimate from the customer record or the job record, as well as this Estimate tab that we're on here. What I'm first going to do is go to Create an Estimate here. Then you will link your customer name. I'm going to use Lauren Martin as an example. From here, you can link a project or a job or leave it standalone. For this example, I'm going to leave it standalone, and then you can also customize your estimate title. We're going to create a basement receptacle estimate. And you'll see we have an expiration date here. This is set up as the default that's in your company settings. You can always change it here as well. Then we will go through and add all of our line items. For this job, I'm going to go through and select the line items. We're going to click Add Item. Keep in mind these are already created prior in your company settings. Then I'm going to come through and select the other ones here. Then I'm also going to add employee 1 as well, supervisor electrician. Here, I'm going to actually change the quantity since the price for the supervisor is $125 per hour. I'm going to change the quantity to 2 hours. So again, this is all customizable per line item. You can also change the description as well. Once I'm ready, I'm going to hit Add Item and finish the estimate here. Then you'll see we have this note section. So you can write anything here in this note section and it will populate onto your estimate record. So keep in mind any notes you write here, your customer will be able to see those. So we could do this test notes here. Then you'll see we have a Files tab. So if you wanted to upload any files here for the job or anything like that, you can upload those. And then we're also going to select a contract to add for this estimate as well. These are going to be preset in your company settings. I'm going to select the work authorization contract. And then I'm going to navigate to the right and we're going to see we have different options here. You can add a credit card fee, a surcharge, or even a discount. And then you'll see this is the tax rate that we have set to default in our account. We're here in Dallas, so we have 8.25. Again, you can customize this yourself in your settings, or you can also change it here as well. All right, once you're ready, you're going to hit Save Estimate here. So now you'll see we have this estimate record 1184. You'll see it's in a draft status. Then you'll see we have all of our line items and we're ready to preview this. So once we hit preview, you'll see we have our estimate here, and here's the estimate breakdown, and you'll see the summary with the total amount as well. And you'll see the customer information, the address, the date this was created, and the expiration date as well. We do also have different toggles on the right-hand side. You can change these. Let's say you didn't want to display some of the line item descriptions on the estimate. You'll see that appears under the line item name. So if we turn this off, we'll see that's going to change live here. So you'll see the descriptions went away. You can also turn some on. Let's say you would like to display the job location. You can turn that on as well. Now we've got the location. You can also change the theme color. So if you wanted to change it to fresh cut grass, you'll see it change to this green. Once you're ready to send out the estimate, you're going to select Email to Customer, and you'll see the information has populated, the customer name and the email associated with that customer, as well as a body that has already been set up in company settings. You can always change it here as well. And then from here, you can also select your files or email attachments. And at the same time, you can request a signature. So your customer can sign the estimate and approve it. Once they sign and accept this estimate, then the PDF will come back into FieldPulse and will reflect the date that it was signed, and also show the signature as well. You can also send a SMS to your customer as well. You can turn this on here. You'll see the phone number attached to your customer populates, and then you can add a text message. Once you're ready, you're going to hit send. Then the email will be sent to your customer with the estimate as well as the text message. After they sign and accept it, it will automatically come back into FieldPulse and change the status to accepted. And like I mentioned earlier, you can go to the Files tab and you'll see the PDF with the signature and date as well. I hope you have a good rest of your day, and thanks for watching.